Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to enable automatic workout detection on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first what we need to do is we need to head over to settings. It's right at the bottom of our apps on the watch. Now here in those settings we need to scroll down until we see the auto detect. And here we will have we will get reminders to start a workout. Basically it will include everything, and it's not only a reminder to start a workout, it also supports like almost every single workout, and it will automatically detect when you're getting a workout right now. So that's basically it. You guys can enable it by tapping on it, and this will basically increase the battery usage, but still you guys can enable it. And that's about it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.